Crispy, juicy, sizzling, and packed with flavor. Today, we're making one of the most iconic Filipino dishes, Sisig. This is Joe from JM Food Trips. If you love bold flavors and that perfect mix of crispy and tangy, you need to try this. This sizzling Filipino dish will make you eat more rice for sure. Let's go. This is not just any sisig. Today I'll show you the secret to getting that crispy texture and restaurant-style flavor at home. But first, let me share you some food tricks. I call it the secret meat. No, not the meat some of you guys are thinking. Comment below what meat you guys are thinking. The secret meat I am referring is if you have fried or grilled meat leftovers in the refrigerator, whatever meat is that, you can use that for this recipe. Example, you got some leftover fried chicken in your fridge that you bought from KFC or Popeyes few days ago. You can use that for this recipe. I promised you, you will love it. Not only that you saved some money and gave you extra dollars to spend for food budget, but you also prevented food waste. Now, if you wonder, is this recipe absolutely perfect for any type of fresh meat? The answer is big yes. Example, exotic and bizarre meat such as crocodile and fish. Any meat that most of us don't eat in a regular basis. Continue watching so that you'll find out why. As we said, welcome to the crispy, sizzling, and full of flavor recipe. Let's make the ultimate sisig today. First step, start by boiling the fresh meat. If you prefer pork belly or pork face, both will work fine until tender. Now, if you will use leftover fried or grilled meat, no need to boil it. Second step, when the meat is already tender, remove it from the broth and let it dry. You can use the broth for cooking soups or other dishes. Third step, fry or grill the meat until crispy and slightly charred. You can refry the leftover meats instead of grilling. Fourth step, chop the meat into small pieces. This is the secret to perfect texture. Last step, cut your vegetables for garnishment into same or a little bit bigger than the meat. Now, let's cook. In a hot pan, saute garlic and onions, add your chopped meat, then hit it with soy sauce, calamansi, and chili. Listen to that sizzle. If you want it creamy, add a little mayo. Surely it is the next level. Crack an egg on top while it's hot, mix it all together, and there you go, authentic Filipino sisig. Warning, mapaparami ka ng kanin dito. Now let's talk about the cooking process and ingredients in detail. Start with fresh pork belly or leftover fried or grilled meat, about 500 grams. Place it in a pot, add water, salt, and pepper, then let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until tender. Again, if you will use leftover meat, no need to boil it. This step makes the meat soft inside before we crisp it up later. Once it's cooked, drain and let it cool. Now grill it or pan fry if you don't have a grill until the outside is golden and slightly charred. This is where the magic happens. That smoky, crispy texture. Yummy. Next, chop the meat into very small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the better the texture. This is the secret to authentic sisig. Heat some oil in a pan. Saute garlic and onions until fragrant. Then add your chopped meat. Season with soy sauce, calamansi juice, or lemon if you don't have calamansi, and chopped chili for heat. Season it according to your taste. Mix everything well and let it sizzle. Here's where you level it up. Add a bit of mayonnaise for a creamy version. Totally optional, but super popular. Many individual prefers the little sweetness into it. Now, if you want that restaurant-style experience, transfer it to a sizzling plate and crack an egg on top. Let the heat cook the egg while you mix it in. So good and yummy. Look at that. Crispy, juicy, and sizzling hot. Perfect with rice. And trust me, 1 cup is not enough. This is delicious and super simple to cook. The only challenging thing here is when you are chopping it into small pieces. One important tip, don't use a food processor in chopping the meat into small pieces. When it's super fine, it tastes like osterized food. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share below. Please click this video next to me for more exotic food trips. What dish should I try or cook next? Just comment below. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you.